Welcome to your channel Myra Pro, hope you enjoyed with this video. So, the Z Blaze Thor Pro is one of the most complete Android smartwatch available in its price range, with plenty of memory and a beautiful design, and a big screen. Firstly, when you open the box you'll find the Z Blaze Thor Pro itself in the front. Under the Thor Pro, the box contains a USB cable, and a magnetic charging plat. Also you'll find a screwdriver with 2 spare screws, and a user manual. So, the build quality of the Z Blaze Thor Pro is excellent. The watch feels well built on the hands, because it's all made from metal. Also the silicone straps make you feel very comfortable when you wear the Thor Pro. On the smartwatch there is 2 buttons that functions very well and has an excellent tactile feel when pressed, one for the power on and off, and the second one for return. Between these buttons you'll see a built-in 2-megapixel HD 720p camera. You'll find also a built-in microphone on the other side and a nano SIM card slot. The Thor Pro also has a speaker located at the back side which works quite well. Audio quality is loud and clear enough for a smartwatch. At the back side you'll find also 4 contact points for magnetic charging dock, and there is also a heart sensor. The Thor Pro has the full list of smartwatch features. It comes with an Android 5.1, it can handle almost any Android app that you can find on the Play Store. At the heart of the Thor Pro is an MTK 6580 quad-core processor clocked at 1 GHz, with 1 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM. One of the best features of the Thor Pro is its brilliant 1.53-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 320 by 320p. It can be viewed clearly under direct sunlight if you bump the brightness up to 50% only. The color saturation and color accuracy on the screen is great. Touch screen sensitivity is also great and comparable to any decent smartphone or tablet. The Thor Pro comes with some preloaded watch faces and you can also add more by downloading additional faces for free. One neat feature on the Thor Pro is its gesture mode, which allows you to turn on the watch screen by merely lifting your arm so the display is facing up. With gesture mode, you don't need to press the power button to activate the screen when you want to check the time. The Z Blaze Thor Pro features a 2-megapixel HD 720p camera at the side of its body, and I was pleased to discover that image quality on the camera is impressive for such a small device. This is not surprising because the camera features 6 optical elements which help provide decent image quality. Image quality may not be as good as most smartphones today, but it is quite good for a smartwatch, and here's some examples of what can the Thor Pro camera do. The Thor Pro features an optical heart rate sensor with genuine real-time heart rate readings. This means the heart rate reading has a refresh rate of 2 to 3 seconds. This is a better way to monitor HR compared to cheaper fitness trackers that feature a refresh rate of a few minutes. The Z Blaze Thor Pro features Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, and 3G connectivity. With its nano SIM card slot, you can even use it as a standalone micro smartphone. The battery life on the Thor Pro is very good. It comes with 500 mAh battery, with very light screen and pedometer use, GPS turned on, and with all wireless features such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. The Z Blaze Thor Pro can last for about 12 to 15 hours, but with heavy wireless use, GPS, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned off, it can last with you from 20 to 24 hours. Finally, the Z Blaze Thor Pro is perfect, and it's a very good smartwatch that offers performance and features similar to smartwatches from big name brands that cost 3 to 4 times more. It has an excellent display screen, good connectivity features, good hardware performance, genuine real-time HR monitor and a nice camera. At $100, it is quite affordable considering that you get an impressive list of smartwatch features. I very recommend to buy these smartwatch, that for many reasons. All I can say, you need to try it on your hand. You'll find the purchase link in the description box. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.